This is the Albanian way, and today we're going to be changing the oil on a 2008 Dodge Grand Caravan. It's a very simple process, just like any other oil change on any other car. You will need this type of oil filter. It's the Fram PH3614, and of course you can take any other oil filter if you would like, KNN or whatever it's. And for oil, I'm going to use this. It's the Walmart brand, people say. I don't know about that. It's conventional 5W20, which is required for this car per user manual. I use this because the car mileage right now is at 40 something miles, so it's very new engine. And for the oil drain plug, you're gonna be needing a 1/2 inch. As you can see here underneath the car, here's the drain plug, and here's our filter. This is the way I just like to do it, nice and hot, because the oil is so much fluidy and it can recede faster, and also it can catch some debris with it compared to, let's say, if it's kind of cold and it's more thick, it can, you know, recede slower through the engine. And right now it's a good time to put in the plug. I just hand tighten it, that's all I do. Alright, so now we can concentrate on taking out the filter. Now before I put the filter in, I like to prepare it and fill it up with some oil. Sure. And just hand tighten this as well. Okay, now we're ready to fill up. Here it is, the cap, and we got our dipstick here ready to go.
Mm-hmm.
And here's our measurement. So you have to get the oil from here to here, so between this area. Alright, so after filling up and making sure the measurement is alright, we can close the cap here. We're gonna start the engine, let it run for like 10-15 minutes so the oil can settle inside the engine, and then we're gonna take another read. Turning the car on, and you have to leave it at rest for another 10-15 minutes so everything can go to the bottom of the engine for a accurate measurement. All that's left that you have to do is you have to reset the message where it says oil change. Here, let me show you real quick what I mean by that. Okay, as you can see, oil change oil message. To reset it, it's a very easy procedure. What you do is you turn it off, you put it on the second position or the on position, and from here all you do is you tap 3 times the gas pedal. So 1, 2, 3. Then you shut it off again and you turn it back on, and the message should not appear anymore. This is it for this episode. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, you can give me a thumbs up, subscribe, or share this channel. Thank you for watching.